Hey there gamers, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of retro gaming with a product that's been making waves in the gaming community. Introducing the Jusubb Retro Game Console. The ultimate blast from the past for families looking to relive the golden age of gaming. If you're a fan of classic gaming experiences, then this console is an absolute must-have for your collection. With its sleek and compact design, it not only looks great sitting next to your TV, but it also packs a punch with its extensive library of built-in games. Now, what sets this console apart is the sheer number of games it offers. With a whopping 650 classic handheld games built right in, you'll never run out of options for family game nights or solo gaming sessions. But wait, there's more. The Jusubb Retro Game Console comes complete with two classic controllers, ensuring that you and a friend can jump into multiplayer action right out of the box. Whether you're teaming up to conquer your favorite retro titles or engaging in friendly competition, these controllers deliver a seamless gaming experience. Setting up the console is a breeze. Simply connect the charger to the power supply, hook up the AV cable to your TV, and you're ready to start gaming. Plus, with its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily take the fun with you wherever you go. Now, let's address some common concerns raised by customers. While some users have reported issues with specific games or controller ports, the overall consensus remains overwhelmingly positive. Many praise the console for its extensive game library, nostalgic appeal, and affordable price point. From timeless classics like Contra and Mario to hidden gems waiting to be discovered, the Jusubb Retro Game Console offers something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting your retro gaming journey, this console is sure to provide hours of entertainment for the whole family. So, if you're in the market for the best video game console for families, look no further than the Jusubb Retro Game Console. With its extensive library of games, classic design, and affordable price, it's a true gem in the world of retro gaming. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!